So let's go through the answers to this exit ticket questions here that you were asked. In both cases, you're looking to find a value of x that would make R parallel to S. Now, the whole idea behind this is that you want to try to make sure that you're setting up the use of one of the converses that we learned about in this lesson to establish that the lines are parallel. Or you just want to kind of look at it as, okay, well, if I assume the lines are parallel, then I'm going to find that certain angles may be congruent or supplementary, and based off of that, be able to find x in that manner. So you're kind of using the theorems and the converses that we've spent the last two lessons on, kind of going through this. So for the first set there, you have R and S. You're told you're trying to show that they're parallel. You have that 140-degree angle, and you have that 5x minus 5 as a measurement of an angle. So one of the ways to approach this one is that I could say that the angle that's kind of adjacent, that has the arrow pointing there, is 40 degrees because of the fact that it's a linear pair with the 140-degree angle. I can also show that the other angle that has an arrow pointing to it is 5x minus 5 degrees as well, because it's a vertical angle with the one that was given to be 5x minus 5. The reason why that's important, and for the way that I have this set up, is that the two angles that are both being pointed to with arrows at this point are actually corresponding angles. And if they're corresponding angles, they need to be congruent to each other, which means for R to be parallel to S, 5x minus 5 needs to equal 40. And therefore, I would add 5 to both sides to get that 5x equals 45, and then finish it off by dividing by 5 on both sides to get that x equals 9. So that's the x value for the first figure there. For the next one, it's not as complicated as a figure, but if I want R to be parallel to S, well, I have the 112-degree angle, and I have the other angle that are 4x minus 8. Those happen to be same-side interior angles, and as we know, same-side interior angles, if I have parallel lines, need to be supplementary. So for this to be parallel, 4x minus 8 plus 112 should total 180, which means that 4x plus 104 should total 180. If I subtract 104 from both sides, I get that 4x equals 76. And then dividing both sides by 4, I get that x equals 19. If you have any further questions, please get in touch with me or your geometry teacher. But until I get to see you in a live lesson or in other means, I will see you later. Have a good day, everybody.